If you're having joint pain, headaches or skin issues, listen up. Let's introduce turmeric, the spice that's got everyone buzzing. Turmeric, often called golden spice, comes from the roots of the curcuma longa plant. Originating in Asia, it's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But why should you care? Turmeric is packed with curcumin, a powerhouse compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This means it can help with reducing joint pain, boosting brain health, digestive and liver problems, skin diseases and wound healing. So, how much should you take? Experts suggest about 500 to 2,000 milligrams of turmeric extract per day. Best taken with a meal to enhance absorption, but a quick heads up, too much turmeric can cause stomach upset. Always consult your doctor if you're unsure. Ready to give it a try? Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more longevity hacks. Check out our recommended turmeric supplements in the link below. Yes, it's an Amazon affiliate link. Helps keep our content free and awesome for you. So why wait? Add some golden goodness to your routine today.